and today I'm doing this tutorial to show you how to find any used car from here in Korea. Today we are going to enter to Encar.com. This is the most famous Korean website to find any used cars here in the country. So what we're going to do first is enter through Google Chrome, and this is in Korean. We are going to translate it. We are going to enter to options, and we are going to search for the translation option. Here, in this case, I am in a MacBook, so I will just right-click and translate it to English, or any language you feel more comfortable. Once we do this, the tab will be translated, and we can start searching. So, the first option is for domestic cars. The second one is for imported cars. Third one for electricity or eco-friendly, and fourth one is for trucks. Okay? Today I will explain you the first two ones, the domestic car and imported car. Let's click on it. So you can check we have thousands of used cars. Okay? So, to find your car, we need to apply the correct filters. Filters are all of this on your left side. Okay, so for example, we are going to start checking, like for example, car type, light, large, anyone. Today I will explain with SUV car. Second one, brand. Here we have Hyundai, Genesis, Kia, Chevrolet, etc. Hyundai. Also will appear the models. We have Galloper, Nexo, Santa Fe, Huracan, Tucson, etc. I will click on Santa Fe, and also will show me some extra options like what kind of Santa Fe I like. Year, this is also important for you depending on the restrictions of your country. For example, I would like to buy a 2017, and the maximum year I would like is maybe 19. Okay, you can also select them all. Distance driven this is the mileage, it's the price. It's a little complicated to explain you right now, but if you have time, you can check that later. Anchor service, not very important. Region, it's not that neither. Performance insurance, neither. Seller classification, neither. Don't worry about it. Sales method, neither. Color, okay. These options we have on white, red color, black, blue, silver, and any other color we have on the screen. In this case, I would like to select on white. We close this tab. Fuel, we have gasoline, diesel, LPG. I would like to select on diesel. Gearbox. Gearbox is the transmission. Okay, so transmission will be automatic. Okay, we just click on it. Well, also because we don't have any other kind of models with different transmission. Option, this is on you. If you want your car has sunroof, navigation, smart key, etc. Here you have more options, but the most principal ones, for me, I would like to select on sunroof and smart key. Once we apply these different filters, we can finally get our car. The thing is that it's not on this side, neither on this side. It's on the third one here. From here, you can find the options that you apply the filters. You are going to click on low price to start checking the range that we can get our car. For me, I like to click on view from 50 different options, so it's wider. So we have all of these different options. Okay, so if we want to check the real price of the car, we are just going to convert again in Korean, as I already have, and take this number. Here we have 1,850 man won. Man means that 10,000, so we have to add 4 zeros. Okay, so let's do it here. 1,150 plus 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the real price here in Korean won would be 18,500,000 won. Okay, that's the price in won. You can change it later here, and this will be the price in dollars. But this is very important. This is not the sales price in dollar because we need to add different costs to get your car, like taxes, transportation, freight costs, etc. Okay, so this price gives you a little idea of it, but it's not the final price. Okay, so let's go again. Let's click on this car, and so once we enter to the tab, here we will find the exact name of the car, etc., etc. The little description. Here I can't translate it from MacBook, but it's okay. I mean, let me explain you. This is Hyundai Santa Fe, the premium diesel 2.0 two-wheel drive class value. Here it's the mileage, the year, how it's considered also, diesel SUV, the size of the engine, automatic, the color, and the plate number. Okay, so here we can find exactly all the pictures about the car we are interested. Okay, the inside, the outside, some details. Okay, so what we're going to do, it's enter to the car record. Car report is also very important. For example, we can translate this to English, and we can find all the information of this car. Okay, the condition, everything like this. For example, this is very important to know. This is the accident or simple repair or change. So what happened here? This is the accident story. Here say that this car didn't have an accident. However, it had a repair. So This place exactly where it's marked, it that spare part was replaced, but it didn't have any accident, so you don't have to worry about it. And also here down, you're still scrolling, and have detailed information about the inside of the car or any other thing you want to know. This good condition or doesn't exist any problem, etc., etc. Yeah, you can check that. Okay, so don't worry about it. So once we know the car condition is good, we basically can still checking, scrolling down some extra details. Now it's in Korean because my MacBook doesn't allow me right now, but well, I'm pretty sure that in your Google Chrome tab it will let you check. So also we have extra details, the option this car offers here. Here more details of the car. If I can translate every detail, I would say that it's in perfect condition. Seller, some description some sellers like to give about the car, extra details that are important for you. But well, that's basically how to find a car in Korea. I will give you a little fast last example. If I don't want a Korean domestic car, I would like to buy a international car. For example, a Benz. Here I have all the options that we translate just one more time. And we have Benz, BMW, Audi, etc., etc., Nissan, any car from Europe, American, Japanese, any car. So let's check. I will click on Benz, E-Class. I will apply all the filters, for example, 2015 to 2017. What about the color? I like black color on my car. Fuel, I have gasoline and diesel. Let's say diesel this time. Pure button transmission, it only has automatic. And about the option, I only want this case, let's say a smart key. So as I mentioned you, first part, no. This one, neither. It's from here, okay? What I would like to let you know is that we usually check from the lowest price, so we can check the best options for you. So one more time, we are going to check any car from here to down. We're going to click on it, this one, for example, and then we have all the information about the car, okay? All the pictures are very important for you. Now let's click on the car report. We're going to translate this one more time, check all the details about this car, and also, well, this is very important, the car report, the accident exchange of any spare part, no accident, no change, so it's in excellent condition. Okay, oh, here we have a little detail of my product. Okay, this is also important for you, but well, you will decide later if you want to buy it or no, or if you want to invest some money in this car. So basically this is the way we find cars here in Korea. So what you have to do if you find any car, to just send this link to any of our sales advisors, for example me or my co-workers, so we can check the car condition or any extra detail you may know and give you the final price to the place you want to be sent. Okay, so yeah, we close this app. So this is the little tutorial I was planning to explain to you, so for you it will be easier to find the car you are looking for. Thank you very much. I will see you soon.